Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Cardioflex. We at Daac Reviews have prepared a comprehensive review video covering everything you need to know before purchasing Cardioflex. Additionally, I'll be sharing some crucial alerts throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid any mistakes when using or purchasing Cardioflex. The first thing you need to know about Cardioflex is to be cautious about the website you're buying it from, as Cardioflex is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site in the description below this video. So, what is Cardioflex and does it really work? The answer is yes, Cardioflex does work. After numerous laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that yield excellent results. Cardioflex is a supplement designed to improve various aspects of health and physical performance. Its formula includes ingredients such as coenzyme Q10 and creatine to increase energy production in muscle cells, resulting in better performance and less fatigue. Additionally, it contains arginine and beta-alanine to improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health and preventing heart disease. The presence of BCAAs and glutamine aids in post-exercise muscle recovery, reducing muscle soreness and improving performance in subsequent workouts. These ingredients work together to strengthen the body, promote recovery, and increase overall vitality. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have achieved great results with Cardioflex, as evidenced by numerous customer testimonials on the official website. However, it's important to remember that each body reacts uniquely, so be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something important you need to know before buying Cardioflex. You can try it for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you're not satisfied for any reason, they'll refund your money. So feel confident in using Cardioflex, but make sure you're purchasing from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Additionally, for Cardioflex to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, or else you won't see significant results and might end up feeling a bit frustrated. While you may see initial results in the first month, most people experience better results after 2 months of using this product due to its gradual effect. It's also important to note that Cardioflex has no side effects as it's natural. So, I decided to make this video to warn you to be cautious about the website you buy Cardioflex from, and also, if you purchase the product, follow the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember, your results will be very different from anyone else because your body reacts uniquely. I truly hope this video has helped you, and I also hope Cardioflex genuinely helps improve your life and the many other benefits this product offers. Remember, the official product site can be found in the description link. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.